Hi, welcome to FinCraft. We can upload invoices, GSTR 2A data, vendor master data, and purchase data using this upload buttons. Or we can also upload our data using this upload tag, where we can also download sample download file and upload our data. Same for GSTR 2A and vendor master data. We can also see uploaded files in upload logs and also see the status of them. Now we have to go to reports and we can see the 2A data that we have uploaded. This data is pertaining to these GST numbers. We can also filter it out using different GST numbers. Similarly, for purchase register, we can go and see the data, also filter it using the GST numbers. This is our vendor master data, where we can showcase you the PAN allotted date, PAN Aadhaar linked, specified person under 206AB, last file GSTR 1 date and last file GSTR 3B date, also if the vendor is eligible under e-invoicing or not. We have also prepared vendor score analysis for you, where we give vendors score based on these criteria. Also we give you a detailed report about the vendor so that you can judge your vendor well. You can go and select your different vendors here. Now for invoices, we can go to this tab and upload invoices directly from here. This is a data management system where you can click and you can see your invoices. Also the QR read data. For example, this is one more invoice which have duplicate pages. Our GST tool is capable enough to understand the duplicate pages and give you a single output. Also, this QR code is unreadable by NIC portal, but our tool is capable enough to read this QR also. Also, our tool is capable enough to understand which is a QR code and which is a payment QR code. So, our tool differentiates and reads only the QR code. For the reconciliation part, we can see this data is reconciled taking purchase register as the basis with 2A and QR invoices. We can also filter it using GST numbers as we did earlier. For date mismatch, this boxes will show you the status, and to see the mismatches you can scroll to your right and see the mismatches. Also, let's solve one of the escalations, which is invoice not received. The file has been uploaded. It will take few seconds to read. So it's been read. This is the invoice number that was missing. We have uploaded it. Our tool has read the QR, also given us the data. We just uploaded the invoice and we can see the escalation has been resolved. We have received the invoice. This is the escalation report. We can see all the escalations that has been raised to the vendors, and you can scroll right to get all the details. Also in the reports we can also see the reconciled data with the basis of QR invoices, or we can also see the data, reconciled data with the basis of GSTR 2A, and we can also go to other reports using this reports section. This is a dashboard where we can see the available GST for a particular GST number, also the total number of vendors and other details are available. We can also filter it using a GST number. So this vendor has this GST number has total 3 vendors, and this is the total available GST claim that we can make. Thank you.